Okay. In the last session, we were talking about different companies. Now everybody got a basic understanding about the companies.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you start a company, what is your target, how you want to grow, improve your business and all. Now we'll try to understand by taking a simple example. Let's say if you try to take an example, maybe something like I take Dell Computers Limited. Is this company name clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, this Dell Computers Limited available only in India or in multiple countries?
Multiple countries.
This is available at multiple countries. First point, you first take some country names. Let's say India, US, Dubai, Singapore, China, and whatever you want, you can keep adding it. I'm just taking five. Clear, right?
Okay.
We took five. You
Yes,
can
sir.
add as many as you want. Now, let's say if you wanted to operate this Dell computers in India, what needs to be done? Can I directly come and start a company or I need to do any registration?
Need to
As per
register.
Indian laws, registration has to
Registration.
be taken.
Is all that.
Reg- yeah.
Right? We'll have to do a registration, which is basically company registration, right?
Yeah, Companies Act.
Right? Meaning, as per Indian Companies Act, you need to register the company name. Is this clear for everyone? Known to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You need tax registration, you need a different registration because nobody can directly start a business. Because why you cannot start a business directly? Reason, this is a legal business, right?
Yes,
You're starting a company, is it legal or illegal?
it's
Legal.
legal.
Right? It's illegal. For any legal business to set up or to start, you need to get the permissions, right, from the different authorities, maybe Companies Act authority, income tax authority, right or wrong, municipal authorities. Once you
Yes.
get all the necessary permissions, approval, only then you can start. Now, when you do a registration of any new company, this company registration will be done at what level? Municipality level, city level, state level, or at country level?
Country.
Country.
This company name registration will happen at country level, meaning in a country, if a company is already existing, can we register with the same name? One more company?
No, we can't.
No.
It is not possible because registration is done at country level. If a company name is already existing, you cannot create the same company name again. It is as simple as like you're creating a Gmail account, right or wrong?
Yes.
Right? If you're creating a Gmail account, maybe I want Ajay at the rate gmail.com. That may not be available, right? Somebody would have already taken. If this email ID, whatever I wanted, is already taken by somebody else, can I create the same Gmail ID?
No.
No.
It is not possible. Right? When I say it is not possible, because registration is already allotted to somebody else. Now, what I need to do, I need to change the name, right, of my company.
Yes.
I need to change company name to get it registered. Otherwise, I cannot. Meaning, to start any business, country level, there must be registration. Every country has got a law. As per that country law, you need to get your company name registered. Meaning, for every country, there is a separate company registration or not.
Yes.
In our example, what is company name?
Then
In our example, company name is Dell Computer Limited, and you are talking about how many countries?
5 countries.
5 countries.
We are talking about 5 countries, meaning in these 5 countries, you need 5 registrations or only 1 registration is enough?
5 registrations.
You need to do 5 registration, meaning when you're setting up Dell Computers Limited in India, you need to register. In India, you may be registering Dell Computers India Limited. Possible?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? In US, you may be registering Dell Computers USA Limited. Here, Dell Computers Dubai Limited. I'm just writing as an example for you to understand. This is something what Singapore Limited. And this is China
Hey,
Limited.
don't frustrate anybody.
Now,
Isaac,
if you look
don't
at
frustrate anybody. Hannah, don't frustrate anybody. You guys must
okay, so when you look at these 5 company names, when you look at these 5 country names, is it clear for everyone?
Yes,
Right?
clear.
So you're operating in 5 countries, meaning you will be registering 5 company names. Same name, but because you're changing the country, you need to create another registration. Now, for every legal registration, there is a company code in SAP. Meaning, for every legal name registration, we need to create a company code in SAP. According to this, how many company codes we need to create now in SAP?
Multiple.
5.
As per this example, what you see on your
5.
Excel.
5
we need to create.
So here you'll have to create 5 company codes. Now, when I talk about India, if in India I'm operating, let's say, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, and so on. What if I'm operating in multiple cities? How many more company codes I need to add?
1.
No, company codes will be 5
Company
only.
codes at national level, sir. Only 1.
It will be still 1. Meaning your registration is strictly at country level. So when you're talking about a company code, strictly look at the legal name of the business. Everywhere, all over the India or in a particular country, you may be opening different branches, but everywhere it will be with the same legal name, right?
Yes.
One legal name is equal to 1 company code. Okay, meaning you cannot create multiple company code because you're operating in multiple city. This is the confusion which you should completely remove it at the beginning itself. Otherwise, you may be thinking that, okay, if Dell Computers India is operating in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune and all, you may end up telling, okay, Dell Delhi one company code, Dell Mumbai another company code, Dell Hyderabad another company code. Anybody is thinking that way? If yes, that is wrong understanding.
Ajay, if it is registered only in India, suppose, and it's like it has in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, then how it is going to be?
These locations, you're not going to create a company code. You have to look at, okay, you're operating in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore. What is your company name in Delhi?
Dell Computers India Limited.
Mumbai,
Same.
Same
Hyderabad,
for all the branches.
Same.
correct? If there is a change in the company name, you will add another company code. If it is the same company code, it will be the same. When there is a change in the company name, only then you will bring another company code. If it is the same company name, it will be same company code or it will be single company code. Understood?
Yes.
Clear for everyone without any confusion?
Clear.
Okay. Meaning if you are looking at this and based on every city, I will add a new company code, then you're making a big mistake. This will never happen in any project. This confusion is only possible during your training, during your practice preparation. Those who are not working, those who do not have the proper understanding, that's where this misunderstanding will happen. Make sure these misunderstandings will never occur in your process, right? Now, in our scenario, even though in US you are operating in multiple places, still you will create single company code or multiple for US.
Single.
Single.
For US, single only,
Yes,
right?
yes, single only.
Single only, because you have to look at the country, you have to look at the legal name of the business. Simple. If country is increasing, company code will increase. If legal name is increasing, company code will increase. Correct or not? Right? There should be no confusion here. If you are confused here at the beginning itself, you are going in a wrong direction, and whatever you do, everything will be wrong. Any doubt, question on this?
No.
Clear, right? Now you have 5 company codes here. When you say 5 company codes, meaning you're doing business in 5 countries, right?
Correct.
Meaning you're doing business in 5 countries. When we say we are doing a business in 5 countries, let's assume that copy, here I'll put transaction. For this transaction, we will consider 5 countries. Now, in our example, all these 5 countries are representing which company?
Dell.
Dell.
Dell Computer. Same company but different country, right?
Yes.
Right? Same company but different country. Now, here, first point, if I'm talking about, let's say, purchases, and then I talk about the sales, then I talk about expenses. I will write something like 20,000, 21,000, 15,000, 10,000, and 25,000. Sales I'll put 20,000, meaning I'll put 28,000. 21,000 purchases, I'll keep 26,000 sale. 15,000 purchases, I will keep 20,000 sale. Just a random imaginary figure, no logic behind it. Singapore 10,000, meaning I'll keep 8,000 only. China 25,000, I'll keep 32 or 34,000. Expenses, I will keep 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Is this clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Now, based on the sales purchase expense for every country, is it possible to find out whether you get profit or loss?
Yes.
Now we can.
Now, for India, What is the situation? How you will do?
6,000 profits.
You will take purchases plus expenses. This is a total debit, right?
Yes.
And minus a sale.
6,000.
How much you are getting?
1,000 profit. 6,000.
6,000 profit, because you are getting a negative number, right? Debit all expenses, credit all income. Negative meaning credit.
Yes.
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 Negative number meaning credit. Credit all income, and then gain meaning it's a profit. If I simply do a formula here, I'm able to see this.
Yes.
This is
Singapore loss.
6,000 is a profit. This is also profit. This is profit. This is profit. What about it? Loss.
5,000.
Is this calculation clear for everyone?
Can you
Yes.
explain once?
We are taking purchases. To the purchases, you're adding expenses, and then you get to know total debit, right? Or total cost. And then this is your revenue or income, 28,000. Your cost is 22,000. Your income is 28,000. If income is more than cost, you will get profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit. That's what you got, 6,000 profit.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Clear for these 5 countries for everyone?
Yes.
What number we brought and how we brought this number. Next thing, if I am the owner, or if you are the owner of this business, possible you are the owner of this business and you are operating in this 5 countries. At the end of every month, if you ask me what is my performance or what is my profit for this month, if I tell you this 5 number, you are okay, or you want me to tell a single number?
Single number.
How do you want it? Single number profit loss or country wise profit loss you want it?
Separate.
If you ask me as a owner,
All together.
for sure you want all together, right?
Yes.
Now for you to get all together, you need to do consolidation, right?
Yes.
You take a simple example. All of you did your academics, maybe in the current trend, any academic course that you take, it is semester system, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is a semester system, or it may be year based, first year, second year, third year, or first semester, second semester, third semester, and so on. Now, assuming you are doing a course which is 3 year, possible?
Yes.
You are doing a
Possible.
3 year academic course. In this 3 year, you may be having exams 6 times, or you may be having exam 3 times. Agree?
Yes.
If you are going on semester system, every year, let us assume you will get 2 semesters. Now 3 year, how many semesters?
6.
6.
So you're writing exam 6 times, right? In 3 years.
Yes.
If there is no semester system, it is only annual examination. In this case, you're writing how many times exam?
3 times.
3 times. Now, if I wanted to declare your result, I need to look at your 1, 2, 3 together, or 1 to 6 semester together, or separate I need to see to calculate your result, your percentage.
All together.
All All together. together.
I have to take all together, right? Anyhow, I will give you the memo sheet, performance analysis for every year, because all are not same, right? First year exam is different, second year is different, third year is different. Similarly, first sem, second sem, third sem, every semester is different. By default, semester wise or year wise, you will get separate marks sheet, right or wrong?
Yes, we get.
But to evaluate your performance, I must give you consolidated marks memo. If you look at your academic, everybody would have got it.
Yeah, got.
One memo containing every year marks or every semester mark. You have seen it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Now, here what will happen? You assuming this is first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, fifth semester. Now, looking at this, if this is my fifth semester, what will be my overall result? Pass or fail?
Pass.
Fail.
Pass.
Fail.
Why fail?
One semester
Okay.
fail is there.
Yeah.
One semester you failed.
Yeah.
So meaning your
Singapore.
overall result will be for sure fail, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, failed.
Because unless and until I conclude or I include all this 5 semester, I do not know your overall performance.
Yes.
Meaning for me to declare your pass or your fail, I need to look at everything. Similarly, to calculate your percentage, whether you're first class, second class, distinction, okay, topper, whatever it is, I need to look at everything or not.
Yeah, need to look at.
Right? That is what is basically consolidation. In your marks memo also, I hope everybody would have noticed consolidated marks memorandum, right?
Yes.
Consolidated marks sheet. If not, you look at it one more time. After this session, just open your those things wherever you kept your document, you pull back and then look at it. Or if you have done it scanned, open that scanned document of your memo sheet, look at it. Then you will clearly understand in such a way. Tomorrow there is no point of any confusion. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Now what you do, if you want to look at your company performance, same thing, you have to analyze every company profit loss and then give whether your overall is profit or your overall is loss. In this situation, I will be overall profit or overall loss.
Profit.
Overall.
Profits.
I will be overall profit because of the number only, right?
Yeah.
But this conclusion is not correct. Why this conclusion is not correct? Reason, I'm talking about India, US, Dubai, Singapore, China. India meaning, according to you, 6,000 in which currency?
INR.
INR.
4,000?
Dollars.
3,000?
UAE.
A
Singapore?
AD.
Singapore dollars.
China?
Yen.
When currency is different, can I do a total?
No.
No.
Huh? Let's say I have 1,000 INR and then you have $1,000. Clear? I have 1,000 Indian rupees and you have $1,000. Now we both, have a bonding, or we both have some kind of friendship, or we're getting into a business. I'll say that, okay, I will invest 1,000, you will also invest 1,000. You brought $1,000, I brought 1,000 INR. Does it meaning we both hold the equal percentage, 50-50?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No.
This is the situation. Okay. Does it mean we both hold equal 50-50 ownership or not?
No. The currency is different.
Currency is different, right? Straight away gone. It's not even 10% of $1,000. Right or wrong? Meaning,
Yes.
can I do a total and then come to a conclusion here, or I cannot?
We can.
I cannot. Meaning these mistakes you should not make. Don't simply look at the number, don't come to any conclusion. If you're looking at a number, please look at the number including the currency. Including what?
Currency.
Currency. Otherwise, you will end up totaling it, but you may be wrong. Now, is this mandatory in India to submit the report in INR or it is optional?
Mandatory.
In
Mandate.
India, for all your financials, you need to submit your financial statement or financial performance to tax authorities or not,
Yes, we need.
right? You'll have to submit your financial data to the tax authorities. Similarly, are we also supposed to submit the data to the auditors,
Yes.
chartered accountants and all? Needed or
Yes,
not needed?
it's needed.
Can I submit them in other than INR? Will they accept?
No.
Why?
As per as we are doing business in the India, we need to register under
That's what they
INR
last.
only.
Meaning, in short, it is a legal requirement, correct or not?
Yes, yes.
In short, this is a legal requirement which is mandatory for every company who is operating in India. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
If I am doing business in India, preparing my financial statements, preparing my reports, submitting my reports in INR is mandatory or it is optional?
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
This is mandatory, meaning I cannot avoid it. Similarly, if I'm operating in US, same thing. In US dollar is mandatory or it is optional?
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
Dubai, AED.
Mandatory.
Dubai AED is also mandatory. Singapore dollar,
Mandatory.
and then China CNY,
It's compulsory. Okay.
right? Now, in every country, that particular country's official currency is must, right, for the reporting. That is what you are referring to legal reporting, or you will call it as local reporting,
Legal reporting.
Yes.
right? So you will be representing this as what? Local reporting slash local currency. Clear or confused?
Yes.
Clear.
Clear for everyone, right? This is must, you cannot avoid it. But you also need to know your overall performance, right? If you are the owner of a business, you don't want me to tell this much, this much, this much, and then you will not do, okay, wait, let me take a calculator. Okay, tell me in India what is profit, Singapore what is profit, Dubai what is profit. When your accountant is telling, when your team is telling, you want to look at 5 numbers, take a calculator, do a mathematic. Is that what you want?
No.
No.
You want them to tell the direct number, right? You want to know what is my total sales this year, or what is my total purchase this year, or this month, this week, this quarter, right or wrong?
Yes.
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 You want to tell what is my total profit, what is my total sale, total purchase. You are including all your business operations, right? Everywhere. Because for all, you are the owner and you want to know it's all my money. Tell me whether I got profit or loss overall. Once I get to know, then I will see individually which country is doing best. From which country I'm getting more profit, from which country I'm getting less profit, I will see later on. But initially, I want to know single profit, right? Which means consolidated result. Here, you need what? Group reporting. For group reporting, you will be using which currency? Group currency.
Yes.
Most likely, in every project, group currency will be dollar. What is the group currency?
Dollar.
It will be dollar. When we say dollar, it is common currency in most of the countries. For you to see the group reporting performance, what I need to do, I need to bring the currency conversion for everything, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
I need to bring currency conversion for everything. I'm not writing everything in detail, but in simple, what I'll do a total of this into group currency dollar. Now 6,000 INR meaning how much dollar? On an average, what is the exchange rate between
90,
INR and a dollar?
90.
0.9.
So you take this INR divided by 90 is the current rate.
Yeah, 90, 93.
Put 90. This is only $66, right?
Yes.
If I look at USA, dollar to dollar, it is the same rate. Straight away $4,000.
4,000.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
And Dubai, what is the Dubai to dollar rate? You can simply Google AED to USD or USD to AED. Or you
0.27
can
United
simply
States dollars.
you can simply put
Point
3,000 AED is equal to how many dollars?
0.27.
Right.
This is not correct. You're going the other way around, meaning you need to understand a different logic, which I make you understand in the coming session.
3.67.
3.67.
Hmm?
3.67.
3.67.
Yeah.
Is this correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Singapore dollar.
$1.29.
Divided by 1.29. This much. And what about China?
7.
This is what you're getting. Now, all these figures are representing which currency?
USD.
dollars.
US dollars.
Dollar. All are dollars. This is your group currency figure. This is group currency figure and this is local currency figure, right?
Yes.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now, for overall group currency, can I do a total?
Mhm. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
For overall group currency, I can do a total. What about overall local currency? Can I do a total?
No, it's different.
If I do a total like this is coming to 13,000. But this is correct or not correct if I total?
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
This is incorrect. And here it is giving this much. Is it correct or not correct?
That's right.
Correct.
This is correct. Now I can tell my overall performance is 1722.42 profit, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now here you are looking at big number, but overall when you look at the consolidation, your profit is only $1,722.42. Understood?
Yes.
First, you should focus only on making the basic calculations wherein you feel you're comfortable with the numbers. Everywhere you go, same logic is applied. But you will see big number. You took 5 digit, there it may be 8 digit number, 7 digit number, 6 digit number. But otherwise, logic, concept, whatever you understand, it will be the fixed. Is this clear here?
Yes.
Any doubt on this calculation?
No.
No.
Right. Here, what you'll have to do, you need to make your own financial and then calculate the figure. Until then, it will be a little here and there. Once you do the calculation, you feel more comfortable, more convinced, right? Okay, now I understood what is this. Because when we do it in the class, you may feel like, okay, it is simple. When you take an Excel sheet or pen, paper, start doing it, you might find it a little tricky. So make sure you practice one time with a basic number only. You're not preparing any accounting, you're only getting the logic here, right? You're understanding the concept. Pay attention from that point of view only. Now I will put one format here. I'll put one assignment here. Take a company name. When I say take a company name, I hope you're all aware how to take a company name, right?
Yes, sir.
Name of the company, and you should know what is the product of their company as per the previous assignments, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
As per the previous assignments, take a company name and then take 5 countries. How many?
Why?
5 countries. Same like what we did now. Consider 2 reporting requirements and then consider 2 reporting currencies. As per our example, whatever we did now, I took Dell, 5 countries. You know what we took, right?
Yes.
2 reporting requirement. What are those 2 reporting requirements?
Local and group.
Local and group reporting. And then what are the 2 reporting currencies?
Local currency, group
INR and
currency.
USD.
Currency and USD.
INR and USD.
No.
Local
When
currency,
you
group
have,
currency.
if you tell INR and dollar, 5 countries cannot be INR, right? That's where you have to be careful.
Correct.
So this is something. Again, local and group. For local reporting, you will be using a local currency. For group reporting, you will be using a group currency. Understood or confused?
Understood.
Understood.
Meaning, when you start doing it on your own, that's where you will get clarity. Otherwise, it looks like it's okay. I'm comfortable, but when you start working on it practically, that's where the actual confusion will come, and that is what you have to bring out. And then clear off all this confusion wherein you get clarity and then you feel confident. What you do here, take something like few expenses and incomes. Understood, right? Something similar to this. Okay, your choice. You take 3, 4, 5, 10, up to you, depending on your interest. Am I clear?
Yes.
Expenses in the below format. You put something like transaction. So in transaction, what you do, you will be writing something like purchases, sales, rent, salaries, something like this. You keep writing few, not a big list, but as per your convenience, as per your comfort, you write this point, and then here you include another point. You merge these two. You know how to merge? Two
Yes, sir.
columns. Merge these two and then put INR and a dollar. Why two currencies?
One is local, one is group reporting.
One is local reporting and the other one is group reporting. Understood? Yes, no?
Yes.
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 Same thing, you keep it here. You keep it here and then you make 5 boxes. If first one is India, second one you take maybe USA. Third one you take, let's say Dubai. And then you keep whatever country you take, your choice. And for everything, you make it a different color so that you can differentiate this is separate. Whatever you do, make sure at the end you are not confused. Understood? The whole objective of doing it is to ensure your confusions are eliminated. By doing it, you are not supposed to get more confusions. So make sure you do it with peace of mind, one-time effort wherein you will never get any confusion in any project that you join tomorrow. Now for India, you have listed INR as local currency, dollar as group currency. Out of two currencies, local and group, which currency will be fixed for every country?
USD.
Group currency.
Group currency will
currency.
be fixed, and group currency is always what? Dollar, right?
Yes.
It is always dollar. Now, dollar is common for everywhere.
Yes.
Local currency will keep on fluctuating based on the country,
Yes.
right? India, it is INR. What about US?
Dollar.
Dollar. What about Dubai?
ED.
Are these clear?
Yes.
Assuming you are not talking about purchases, first you write numbers only in local currency. Where to write?
INR.
Only in local currency. So I'm not representing INR because I'm not referring only to India, right? I have multiple countries. Since I have multiple countries, country to country, currency will differ. You put number only in local currency first. If I'm talking about purchases, if I'm referring to India, I will write INR value. And before you write any number, make sure you select all the columns and keep it this comma format. Clear, right? Whenever you write the number, it must be strictly in this accounting format in Excel sheet. Clear for everyone?
Yes.
Clear.
Strictly every number that you put in the Excel sheet, this is mandatory. It must be in accounting format. You need to make sure because as a FICO consultant, we will be working more with the Excel sheet. If your formats are correct, your work will be simplified. If your formats are not correct, your work will be complicated. You will not understand what is happening. I will put maybe purchases in India. I'll take something like 52,000. Possible?
Yes.
Okay. And I will be looking at sales in India, let's say 75,000 sales. Rent, I'll take maybe 10,000. Salaries, I will take 25,000. Possible? Just you take your imaginary figure.
Yes.
Whatever comes in your mind, you blindly go take it because you're only calculating the number and then understanding the logic. Simple. From here, you need to ensure you're in a position to identify what is expense, what is income. All your expenses you put one color, all your incomes you put another color. Purchase is which? Expense or income?
Expense.
Expense.
Purchase is expense. You put one color maybe for expenses. What about sales?
Income.
Income.
What about rent?
Expense.
Salaries?
Expense.
Expense.
Expense. All expenses you keep in one color. Income you keep it some other color. Okay? Understood?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
expenses shows debit balance or credit balance.
Debit.
Expense.
Debit balance.
Expense shows debit balance. Income shows
Credit balance.
Credit balance.
credit balance. Debit balance meaning positive number or negative number.
Positive.
Positive.
Positive number.
Debit balance meaning positive number. Credit balance meaning
Negative.
negative number. Now, where I need to keep negative number?
For sales.
Sales should be negative. Negative number meaning, in simple, adding a minus here. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now it has become different. By looking at the number, is it easy to identify what is debit, what is credit, or it is difficult now?
It's easy.
Assuming, let's say I'm keeping it in a general format. Now, which is giving more clarity? Left side or right side number?
First one. INR.
No, look at this. Don't look at this one. Just this is left side, this is right side.
Left side one.
Left side.
Left side.
Left side is more clear, right? Because it is in accounting format. This is not in accounting format. If I don't put this minus sign, gone, right? I don't know what is what. Always you need to make sure number is listed strictly in this format. You need to ensure all this when you're in any project. Otherwise, you will end up making blunder mistakes. When I say you will end up blunder mistake, anybody you work with, everybody will complain on you that you don't even know how to read the number. You don't even know how to work on Excel sheet. Meaning, some small shortcuts on Excel sheet also you should be aware. If I tell you to filter it, don't search where is filter. If my cursor is moving, filter, where is it gone? You understood? I don't know, right or wrong?
Yes.
Yeah. Control Shift L.
Right? So whatever basic simple formulas are available in Excel, make a note. As a FICO consultant, having good understanding on Excel sheet is very important. Clear for everyone? Don't only focus on configurations, all this kind of thing. You have to be very good at Excel sheet because you will be playing with all numbers only. If you are good at Excel sheet, your work will be simplified. If you are not good at Excel sheet, your work will be complicated. As simple as that. Whether you want to complete a task in 5 minutes or you want to sit and spend 1 hour, it is in your choice. If you know the basic Excel formulas and all, within 5 minutes your task will be completed. If you do not know, you have to sit maybe 1 hour, 2 hour. Even after 1 hour, there is no guarantee whether you did it right or wrong. So make sure basic Excel you are familiar, you are comfortable with. Overnight it will not come. You have sufficient time, right? Slowly start working on it, observe it. Don't put any extra effort on it. When you're doing it, your different assignments will make you automatically work on Excel sheet. Clear this one? Calculating INR figure.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ajay, reporting two requirements means like India and Hyderabad, right?
No. Not India, Hyderabad. This is at India level.
Yeah, consider two reporting requirements means it's
This is group reporting and then local reporting. Okay. First you work only on this format as it is the way we are giving it. And then we will connect every dot in the coming sessions. Why we're doing all these things.
okay.
Ajay,
Yeah.
regarding Excel, as a basic Excel is needed, you said that.
Right.
For that, no need to join any Excel.
No. Nothing is required.
Okay, right.
We are not data entry operators.
Yeah.
You need very basic minimal. In the assignments, whatever I give, I will tell you what and all you need to know. If you know those, more than sufficient. You don't need to put any extra effort. That's what I told. No extra effort is required. Your practice will make you perfect in your Excel sheet.
Yeah, thank you.
Because your focus, our target is not configured. So you will work like you're a consultant.
Yeah.
I'll give you different requirements, different things, the way you do it as a project, in a consulting in any organization or in any project. Similarly, I'll also make you good at your MS Word. I'll also make you good at your PowerPoint presentations. Because as a FICO consultant, you need to prepare different document. You'll have to prepare some PPTs also.
Yeah.
And this doesn't mean you will go join MS Office training. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Understood,
Right.
right?
Thank you. Yeah.
When you need what and how you need to do it, I'll clearly tell you what is to be done. If you do it, it is more than enough. Okay, first what you do, write the number in local currency. After that, look at the currency conversion here. When you say currency conversion, local currency to group currency. If I know 52,000 INR, this is equivalent to how many dollar? For that, I need to know what is the exchange rate, right?
Yes.
Correct or no? If the exchange rate is 90 rupee, so what you do? Take INR divided by 90 rupees. Clear? Put your effort from your side only. From your end, you do a basic effort, and then if you are right or wrong, simply go to Google. If you put Google INR to dollar, if you put 52,000, Google will give this amount, right? You don't need to exactly match the number. If the number is similar or equal, it is okay. If it is 500 change, it is fine, because rate may be different, but the logic will be the same, right? But you are getting 577, Google is giving 3000, then something is wrong. Meaning you would have made a mistake at this level. Instead of divided by, you would have given multiplication, or instead of a multiplication, you would have given divided by.
Ajay, I have a doubt regarding the group reporting. So today's exchange rate is 90 INR. So based on the client, maybe we will report every monthly or every year. So the thing is that exchange rate will keep on changing, right? So how do we at the time of consolidating we will define the exchange rate, or it will be predefined?
At the time of reporting only, the closing rate is what you will take, month end rate.
Okay, that day what is the rate we will take that. Okay,
Correct.
thank you.
Okay. Now same thing you do it. You take the local currency, divide it by exchange rate 90. Everything is the same. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now I got for India my local reporting figure, group reporting figure. Since I have given number in the accounting format, if I do a total, I'll get to know the figure. If my total is debit, is it profit or is it loss?
Loss.
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 This is loss. India, I got what? Profit or loss?
Loss.
Loss.
I got loss. How I got to know? Because I've put it in the accounting format, right? Debit, credit. Even if I prepare P&L format, I'll still get a 12,000 loss only. Understood? Positive numbers will go to debit side of your P&L. Negative number will go to credit side of your P&L. Debit minus credit is your profit loss. Understood? First you put this, then we will further understand in a detailed way. All at one go will not get into our mind. First, at least you understood what number to be prepared now, to be prepared here. Is this table, what we did, clear or not clear for all of you?
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
This is clear, right? This is what you have to do here. Similarly, do it for US, do it for Dubai, and then 4 more countries you do it. Calculate your local reporting result, group reporting result, and then you try to understand overall whether you are making a profit or loss. Understood what is to be done from your end?
Okay, understood.
Yes.
This is something that you need to do it. Not something like your assignment. This is something that your self-evaluation, to what extent you're able to do it. Okay. If you're putting an effort and then you're confused somewhere, you can ask me tomorrow, right? And then we can discuss tomorrow where you're getting confused. Why? If you're not clear on this, there's no point you're doing config posting entries, right? Agree with my point? You don't even know how to look at a number and all, and we are creating a company codes, making postings and all. Doesn't make any meaning to it. Meaning, if you're doing something, you need to ensure you're doing it in a right way. And you understand what you're doing, and you know from a project how you need to look at a number. Any questions here on the assignment? Everybody is comfortable, right? What is to be done?
Yes.
Sir. Yes.
All you need to do is just put an effort. Then you will understand. If you're able to move forward to do it, well and good. If you're not able to do something, put a message in the group. You're doing something, I'm stuck here. What I'll do, I don't need to wait until tomorrow. I will go simply take a photo of it, put it in the group. Put that, can somebody explain, is this correct or not? You have so many members in the group, they will be able to guide you or assist you, right or wrong.
Yes.
At least your doubt, question, confusion, whatever you got it, you put it in the group, right? If you don't get any response, reply, you can bring it to the session, because before we start the class, once I open the link, you minimum have 10-15 minutes free time. You can
Yes,
ask
sir.
somebody in the group, anybody will be able to tell. Meaning you don't need to wait until, or you don't need to keep it on hold, you don't even need to Google it. Ask a question, for sure somebody will reply, right? And you need to ensure when you get any doubt, get it clarified immediately. Don't directly go to Google, ChatGPT, don't depend on it. Clear on the assignment?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you will be getting assignments from the beginning onward. Not that once we start the config, I'll give you the assignment. From the beginning onward, you will be getting different kind of assignments. So you'll have to start working on it, and your assignments will give you more knowledge. Getting my point, right? So something
Okay.
that you cannot take casually. Whatever assignments that I'll give you, that will give you your more, that will get you more knowledge, that will give you practical hands-on experience like you're in a project. I'll make you prepare different document, I'll make you collect different information, wherein together you'll be able to make complete content or complete document for you to prepare, work confidently in any organization or give any interview. Individually, you sitting, putting an effort will take long time, correct or not? So instead, I'll segregate data in such a way that all of you will be collectively working on different things, data collection, all the different other activities. Then we will put them in a consolidated, probably Google Sheet, wherein all of you will get the access to it. Those who are working on it will be able to put the data there. You'll get to know what is what. Clear, right? As we move forward, we will make different things, and then I'll be assigning different topics to different people. I'll tell what information they have to put. So here, when you collect the information, we don't need Google content. You have to filter it, refine it, and then keep the key points only from every topic. That is how you'll do it. So that when you start preparing for interview and all, for most of the topics, you have the ready-made content, right, available with you. So you will be saving a lot of time, and from there you put your effort. Try to understand it, try to pick up whatever you need it from there. Whatever modification that you want it, you can do it as per your own understanding, which will be done in the coming sessions. Meaning, you will be fully loaded going forward. to celebrate your Pongal happily, and then after Pongal, it's all you will be fully dedicated to the system. Clear, right?
Yes.
All right, let me stop the recording now.